Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to connect Stripe with Shopify. Before you start, make sure you already have both Shopify and Stripe accounts. Log into your Shopify admin and click Settings in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. You'll see the Shopify settings screen. This is where all your store configurations live. Note, just that you'll need to admin privileges and an active paid plan to continue. Now in Settings, select Payments from the sidebar, and if the payment option is grayed out, you might not have admin access, be on free trial, or have overdue payments. If so, check with your account holder or contact Shopify support for help. Now, once inside the payment section, scroll to Additional Payment Methods, then click on Add Payment Method. In the search bar, type Stripe, and if Stripe appears, select it. Now click on Stripe from the list and a login prompt will appear. Enter your Stripe credentials. Hit Activate, and once connected, your Shopify store will now process payments via Stripe. You can test your integration before going live. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.